Good evening, junkies. Welcome to eminijunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Wednesday, May 13th, 2009. Today we had a total of 6 executable trade signals for a maximum potential of 43 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only. It is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups, give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at eminijunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning right about 892.75, and that was after a 8:30 news report that dropped the markets lower. We actually put in a low right after that news, and we were coming off those lows and opened right about our moving average where we were coming down. We did not have a trade set up because of the previous market action, but we did have there was a possibility to get into a trade to the downside at our moving average, but it's not one that we're going to record on this video. And that actually traded through the overnight session lows and put in a new low right around 940. And at that same time, our ticks were giving us a low indication as well. The market got a little bit of a bounce off there. Started trading above our moving average. On this pullback to some old support resistance level, we got a signal to go long. Got our first contract off, but we did not get our second contract off. There was no follow through, and we actually got stopped out of the second one, so we lost 2 ticks on that particular trade. And as that trade came down, we actually got a signal to go short, and that signal also produced the first target but did not produce the second target, so that trade also was stopped out for a 2-tick loss. And coming off of that stop out, though, we did get the trade we were looking for. We went up to our old previous day's low, kind of pulled back off that towards our moving average. This was a large swing, so we got an opportunity to get a little larger move, and that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 17 ticks. After that trade, we ended up moving back to the downside. Again, went and traded to our overnight session lows, got a little bit of a bounce pulling back towards our moving average, got an opportunity to get short. That produced targets 1 and targets 2 for 12 ticks. There was actually a opportunity to get short a little earlier than that, but it was outside of our rule set slightly, so we did not record the trade initially up here. We waited for the complete pullback and a later entry, but nonetheless it still gave us 12 ticks, and at which time we traded down and through the lunchtime hour basically moved way to the south side, put in a new low at 130, and we got a new low tick for the day, and some of the program trading kicked in and we actually got a bounce there. And off of that bounce we pulled back, we got a signal to go long, and that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 for 9 ticks to the upside. And then we went up and hit our head on some old resistance, and that was actually, I believe that was the previous low we sat in earlier in the day. And when we came off that previous resistance of that old previous morning low, we got a pullback, got an opportunity, right after this cross, got an opportunity to get short, and that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 for 9 ticks to the downside. And then of course we stopped trading at 3 o'clock, so that was pretty much it for the day. We had 6 trades for 43 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including chart setups, or to join our live trading room and video newsletter, please visit eminijunkie.com. Thanks, and make it a great day.